All right. Um, Another app that I use and my entire school uses is Second Step. Excuse me. And this is a like a web-based SEL application that kind of helps provide online lessons on how to deal with different situations. I think it's probably something I would not have enjoyed as a student, but I think there's some utility in it, especially for our kids. They roll their eyes some, and some of it is a little bit droll, but going over with it and kind of giving them a foundation on how to make better choices, especially when their emotions are getting a hold of them, uh, I think is something that is necessary. So as we look here, there's different units, and there's all this is catered to what you have. This is a sixth grade one. There's different mindsets and goals. Unit 2 is recognizing bullying and harassment, thoughts, emotions, decisions. Unit 4 is managing relationships and social conflict. Uh, and it goes through the list, and you can do the ones you want. As you see, we've done these first three here. Uh, in Unit 2, we went straight to standing up and staying safe. It has a lesson plan. It has a student handout that you can print if you want. It has it also in Spanish, which is very handy for mine, for my students. And then over here, this is where you'd normally click a new one. It'll say review in this case. And it's kind of a mix between slides and stop and discuss areas. If it will load. Okay. So we can go back here. And it gives you a warm up and think and share, and then you can click review, and it tells you what you want to do. Challenges to standing up and bullying. It's a lot of different prompts that get the class to talk based on what people should be doing in hypothetical situations in their day-to-day life. Just little writing prompts, little discussion prompts, and like I said, my students aren't always big on it, but there are certainly other things they dislike more. I think a lot of them come up with good answers and are engaged in it.